Hello everybody, thank y'all for watching. In this video, I'm going to explain 3 ways that you can flip $1,000. Yes, that one band you got, it's time to start flipping it. So let's begin. So way number 1 will have to be flipping a car. The way you go about doing this is you find your local car auction in your city. You go there every week. You try to find a car that's valued above $1,000. Try to get that car for less than $1,000. Purchase it. After you receive the car, you take it, get inspected, register it, and pay a little sales tax you might need to pay on it. And now you're ready to sell the car. You then begin promoting this car on Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, and Craigslist. You try to sell it for more than what you bought it for, and if you do this correctly, the car should sell within 30 days for a higher price than you paid for it. Again, it all takes research. You need to be going to your local auction weekly. You need to get the list beforehand, find the values of the cars beforehand, so when you get there and you place a bid, you're not overbidding on these cars. You're placing bids on cars that's valued over $1,000, and you're trying to place a bid for $1,000 or less. That is how you're going to win, and you can make mistakes if you do not do your research. Don't go bidding on cars that's valued at $900 and you bidding $1,000. You're going to lose money in the long run. So do your research, and that's way number 1. Buying and selling cars. Way number 2 is buying and selling sneakers. Sneakers is a very huge billion-dollar industry, and a lot of older people sleep on this industry, but you can make serious money flipping shoes. The way you go about this is you download the Nike app. The Nike app is called Sneakers, SNKRS. You download it, you keep up with the new release shoes that's coming out soon. Try to find ones that have great resale value on them. So for example, you get the app, you look and you see a Jordan 1 that's coming out the following Tuesday. You look up the StockX value, the resale value, you see it's selling for $500, but on the day that it released, you can buy it for $160. These shoes sell out in seconds, so you need to set your alarm. Most shoes release at 10 a.m. You set your alarm for 9:55, you wake up, you try to buy these shoes and win them. Once you win these shoes, they come in the mail, you can resell for higher than what you paid. So you might pay $170 and the resale value might be $500. That is how you buy and sell sneakers for a quick profit. So download the Sneakers app, stay up to date with the new releases, and find out how you can get them and how you can sell it for higher. That is how you will efficiently make money from buying and selling sneakers. And way number 3, last but not least, is day trading stocks. The way you go about this is you click the link, the Robinhood, or you can do it on Cash App, I believe. Either one of those, Cash App or Robinhood. You put $1,000 into it, you do your research, you try to buy a stock when the market opens at 9:30, and you try to sell it before the day close. If you do this correctly, you can make money day trading stocks. It takes research and knowledge, so don't just go and just choose random stocks. Know what you're doing, know the stock price, you enter it. You can buy a stock for $5 a share and it goes to $6, and then you sell it that same day and you get quick profits. That's how you day trade stocks. Those are 3 ways you can quickly flip $1,000. Way number 1 was flipping a car. Go to an auction, buy a car, sell it for more. Way number 2 was flip sneakers, buy it on release day, sell it for a lot higher if you're able to win them. And way number 3 is the day trade stocks, buying a stock at 9:30 when the market opens and selling it the same day for higher. Those are 3 ways you can quickly flip $1,000. And that's the video for today. Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all learned a thing or two. Apply it to your life. Try to flip this $1,000. Try to flip that band into 2. But that's the video for today. Like, comment, subscribe. More videos coming soon as always. See y'all on my next video. Peace.